Helen from Modcon Campers here. I don't know about you, but when I go camping I want to spend the most time relaxing, and cooking has to be quick and easy. So I've got a really great recipe for you. It is sun-dried tomato pasta and it's all in one pot. So you start with a really big handful of baby spinach. And then a cup of chopped up sun-dried tomatoes. You don't have to be exact. 1 large diced onion and 5 sliced garlic cloves. About 200 grams of diced pancetta. Now I'm just going to throw in a whole packet of whatever pasta I happen to have. Today we're doing penne. Now to that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of Italian herbs, or whatever herbs you seem to you have on hand. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of water. 1, and some chicken stock. And lastly I'm going to put in about a cup of white wine. And now the important bit, I need to fill my own glass. So now I'm just going to put the lid on this and light my cooker. And now we wait 10 minutes. So 1 drink later and about 10 minutes and my pasta is perfectly cooked. So time to turn off my burner, and I'm going to add another really big handful of spinach, a little bit extra, you know, and about 125 grams of parmesan. About that. I'm going to mix that through, and that's going to make the most amazing sauce. And once that spinach is wilted down and the cheese is incorporated, you have your dinner.